Utkal Divas Speech in English for students. Good morning, respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends. Today we have gathered here to celebrate Utkal Divas, also known as Odisha Day. This special day is observed on 1st April every year to remember the information of our beloved state Odisha in 1936. Before 1936, Odisha was a part of the Bengal Presidency. Many great leaders like Madhusudan Das, Gopabandhu Das and Maharaja Krishnachandra Gajapati worked hard for a separate Odisha. Because of their efforts, Odisha became an independent province. On this day, people of Odisha celebrate with flag hosting, cultural programs, and processions. Schools and organizations organize events to honor the heroes of our state. In the evening, beautiful fireworks light up the sky. Utkal Divas is not just a celebration, it is a reminder of our rich culture, history, and unity. It teaches us to be proud of our language and traditions. The sacrifices of our great leaders inspire us to work for the progress of our state. Let us all take a pledge to keep our heritage alive and contribute to the development of Odisha. Thank you.